Hey guys, Mr. G here, and let's talk about symmetry. Now, say you're working on a piece and it's completely symmetrical, but you don't want to work on each side, one side at a time, or duplicate it and all that stuff. Well, if you come over here and go to, you have symmetry options right here. You can do topology, world Z, world Y, world X. So let's say I want to work in the world Z. Well, whenever I select the face, bam, face, vertex, it'll mirror that because it's on the world axis. Just bring up my grid. And since my mesh is centered directly in the middle, whatever I do on one side, it'll do to the other. Alright, so that's a quick way of being able to work on a mesh without having to select the opposite side. Now, you will run into issues where it won't, like I just did extrude and it didn't continue the line all the way across. For some reason it does do that. So be forewarned when you are using this that you might run into issues like that. Also, another thing is when you try to do multi-cut, you won't be able to do it across planes like this if there's no middle plane, if there's no middle loop. Sorry. So if I come here, select these guys like so, go to my connect tool, now when I try to do multi-cut, it'll do it. Okay, so the error with extrude, it only looks like it happens when you're trying to use shift extrude. I don't know what the problem was, so it looks like it's working. Just be wary that sometimes that will happen. Okay, all right, till next time guys, peace.